we need to simplify the given trig expression. Let us begin. So here we have the trigonometric expression sine of angle A, then it's multiplied to sine 60 degree minus A times sine 60 degree plus A. So here we're going to use the transformation formula. If we have 2 times sine of angle A times sine of angle B, so that's given by cosine of A minus B minus cosine of A plus B. Fine. So in that case, we're going to suppose that let A be equals to 60 degree plus A and B be equivalent to, so they're not equal, they're equivalent to 60 degree minus A. Then in that case, what we need here is let's rewrite the given expression. So we'll have sine A, we're going to multiply by half and also multiply by 2. So we have 2 times sine 60 degree minus A times sine 60 degree plus A. Right. So what we're trying to do here, we're trying to combine the second and the third expression. Fine. So this is going to be half times sine of angle A whole multiplied to, so we're going to use this expression cosine of A minus B. So here A is 60 plus A minus B. So let's find it out here. So A minus B, that's going to be equals to 2A. So that's going to be equivalent to 2A. And if we do A plus B, so that will be equivalent to 120 degrees. So cosine of A minus B, so 60 minus A, so that will be 2A minus cosine of 120 degrees. Fine. So this will be equals to half times sine of angle A times cosine of 2A minus half of sine A times cosine of 120 degrees. Let's try to find out the value of cosine 120 degrees. Now we know that cosine of 120 degrees, this can be also expressed as cosine of 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Right. So this will be equals to cosine of 2 times 90 degrees minus 60 degree. So here we see we have an even multiple of 90 degrees. So cosine is going to remain as cosine function, but the new angle is going to be 60 degree. But 120, we are in the second quadrant where the cosine function is negative. So cosine of 120 degree, that's negative cosine 60 degree. Well, that means its value is going to be negative half. So let's substitute cosine of 120 degree with negative half, and our expression is then going to become half times sine of angle A times cosine of angle 2A minus 1/2 times sine A times negative half. Fine. So this will be equals to, now what we'll do, we can combine this using the transformation formula, but there's a factor 2 missing here. So we're going to multiply and divide by 2. So we're 1/4 times 2 times sine A times cosine 2A. Plus we have half, negative half multiplied to negative half, that's 1/4. Since we have already taken it as a common factor, this will be simply added to sine of angle A. Fine. So let's try to transform this. So here this will be, we'll write the formula. So whenever we have 2 times cosine of angle A times sine of angle B, so that's equals to sine of A plus B minus sine of angle A minus B. Fine. So here using the fact that A is greater than B. So in that case, we have 1/4 multiplied to it will be sine of angle. So here we will assume that 2A is A and this particular A corresponds to B. So we have 2A plus A, so that's 3A minus sine 2A minus A, so that's simply A. So we have negative sine A plus this term sine A. So we have negative sine A, positive sine A cancelling out, and that leaves us with the final expression 1/4 of sine of angle 3A. So this is going to be the simplified value of a given trigonometric expression. So sine A times sine 60 degree minus A times sine 60 degree plus A, so that becomes equals to 1/4 of sine of angle 3A.